So next, let's see the structure of a flame in candle. Fine, so this is very important question will be asked to you guys from your NCERT book, that is the structure of a flame. Flame के 3 reasons we need to know about, and that will be going to be asked at, it is very important as per your examination point of view. So you can see here candle is burning, and in candle the wick is there, and that wick is burning and producing a flame. So there are different reasons of the flame. First of all, which is blue one, that is non-luminous zone, which is blue in color, and it is the hottest part. So question will be asked from you guys ki which one is the hottest part of the flame. So you need to remember which part is the hottest. Outermost part, and that is blue in color. 3 important things that is covered. Outermost part, that is blue in color, and another important thing, that is the hottest part of the flame. Another is that is the yellowish reddish part inside, that is the yellowish part which you can see in luminous zone. That zone is luminous yellow. It is the moderate part. This is the moderate part of the flame which is not that much high in heat, not producing that much high heat, and not more that is very least kind of heat. Fine. So this heat is a moderate, एक average सा heat produce करेगा. Then dark zone, that is blackish in color, and it is the least hot, और यहाँ पे combustion is very incomplete. Fine. So this is the thing कि we need to understand. सबसे पहले क्या understand करना है हमारे पास? First of all, 3 zones है. We are having structure of candle like it. Fine. And this is the wick which is undergoing burning and producing this flame. Fine. So different zones are there. Outermost zone is blue in color, and hottest, you guys observe that sometime when you lighten up a candle, तो अगर हम उसके पास ऐसे हाथ लेके जाते हैं, इवन कि अगर हम सामने आग के सामने बैठे हैं, हम आग सेक रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं, एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं फ्लेम के साथ, तो इफ वी आर जस्ट अवे फ्रॉम इट, वी आर अंडर कीपिंग आवर हैंड लाइक दिस, तो वी आर फीलिंग टू मच हीट ऑफ दिस. अगर कंटिन्यूसली हम वहां पे रख रहे हैं तो हमें ज्यादा हीटिंग इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस होता हुआ दिखेगा. बट सम टाइम वी यूज्ड टू, हम इसमें से हाथ डालते हैं. इन आवर चाइल्डहुड वी ऑफन यूज्ड टू डू दिस थिंग. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन दैट कि एक दूसरे को हम बोलेंगे, सी माय हैंड इज नॉट गोइंग बर्निंग इफ आई एम पुटिंग इट इन द फायर. तो इन द फायर इफ आई एम पुटिंग ना, दैट इज नॉट undergoing burning, because that is the moderate heating part of that particular flame, and outermost is the hottest part, because vaporize हो गए पार्टिकल जहां ज्यादा हैं यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, ज्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी. ठीक है, तो vaporization of particle is more here, so that's why this zone is producing too much of the heat, and it is causing very much of heating effect. This is the hottest part. Fine. In innermost जो है इसके अंदर वाला, this is the part which is yellowish or orangish in color, that is producing moderate amount of heat. So it is not going to be causing that kind of severe one. But the innermost part, which is the innermost part, वहां पे क्या है, because vaporization में क्या होता है बच्चे, if something is here, any liquid, any gas, तो नीचे से पार्टिकल क्या करेंगे, along taking with the kinetic energy, they start to going upward. तो upward क्या रहेगा, concentration will be more than डाउनवर्ड्स. तो यहाँ पे पार्टिकल्स ही कम है, तो यहाँ पे वर्निंग क्या है, हीटिंग इफेक्ट क्या है, कम है. ऊपर क्या है, तो जब हम इनसाइड की बात करेंगे, दिस इज द लीस्ट हॉट, दिस इज द least hot reason. That is very important thing to understand कि why this is least, because we know that कि why this flame is produced, because of the vaporization. and vaporization क्या होता है, from downward से upward. गैस का वेपर क्या है, गैस पार्टिकल्स हम क्या होंगे, डाउनवर्ड से अपवर्ड जा जाते हैं, काइनेटिक एनर्जी लेके, हीट मिल रहा है नीचे से उनको, तो हीट लेके वो अपवर्ड मूव करेंगे, और जहां पे उनका कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा है, ऑब्वियसली दैट काइंड ऑफ एरिया पे दैट विल बी गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस मोर अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एंड बिकमिंग हॉटेस्ट पार्ट rather than least hot part which is inside that flame, because concentration of that particular vaporized particle is very less. Fine. तो hope you guys understand, and this is very important question. इसी पे क्वेश्चन आता है, which one is non-luminous zone, which one is luminous zone, which is hottest one, which is least hottest one, and why this is so. So you guys need to be aware कि why this is so, because of the vaporization of particle. Fine. So this is the structure of flame. So next is characteristics of the zones of candle. So zones of candle, so not zones of candle, zones of flame. So we have done candle flame. In that we need to know that candle flame is having different kind of zones as per the reason of production of heat. So let's see one by one in tabular form. We have seen here, first of all 3 zones we are having, outermost zone, middle zone, innermost zone. So first of all outermost zone is complete combustion. And what is complete combustion, guys? hopefully you remember, complete combustion is the combustion where complete combustion is required amount of oxygen, that much amount of oxygen is required for burning, that is available. Fine. So O2 is available, that much is required na, that much is available to that particular substance to combust. Fine. Middle zone is showing partial combustion. Now partial means kya hai? Something is which is not going to complete. So partial combustion is, why this is partial? Because of lack of O2 availability. Lack of availability of O2. Third most is innermost zone, where no oxygen for available for the particular combustion. Fine. Another important thing, flame appears blue, that we have done. Flame is appearing blue, that is the outermost zone. Then orange yellow, middle zone is orangish yellow. Another one, innermost zone, grayish and black, because black is showing no combustion. Fine. Orange yellow, combustion is there moderately, and blue, lot of the combustion is occurring over there and producing a lot of heat. Another is hottest zone. We have done that. Hottest zone. Why hottest? Because of the kinetic energy of particle. Kinetic energy क्या होती है अपने पास? Energy which is responsible for the movement of the particle. And यहाँ पे क्या है? Kinetic energy of particle is more in case of this combustion. तो आउटर मोस्ट जोन के ऊपर क्या है? मोर पार्टिकल्स. तो जितने ज्यादा पार्टिकल उतना ज्यादा कंबस्शन और उतनी ज्यादा ही हीट प्रोडक्शन. नेक्स्ट इज मॉडरेटली हॉट, बिकॉज particles are least over there and not that much hot area is that. And then least hot because combustion is very less, no combustion approximate, we can say that. So how it will be going to be heating effect. Next is non-luminous zone. This is very important thing, non-luminous. Now what is this non-luminous? First of all, luminous क्या होता है? तो luminous objects are those objects which are producing light by themselves. ठीक है, जो क्या करते हैं? लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सन, लाइट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सन, उसका अपना क्या है? लाइट है. एंड नॉन ल्यूमिनस आर दोज जो क्या करेंगे? लाइट प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते, सिर्फ हीटिंग इफेक्ट देते हैं. ठीक है, तो नॉन ल्यूमिनस आर दोज विच आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग लाइट, बट जो ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट है उनके ऊपर लाइट अगर पड़ रही है तो दे विल बी शोइंग रिफ्लेक्शंस. तो हमें लगेगा दैट इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूसिंग लाइट, बट एग्जैक्टली दे आर नॉन ल्यूमिनस. सो द पार्ट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर कैंडल आउट ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स, फर्स्ट वन विच इज आउटरमोस्ट जोन विच इज ब्लू इन कलर, विच इज हॉटेस्ट वन, दैट इज नॉन ल्यूमिनस, वो लाइट प्रोड्यूस नहीं करेगा. And middle zone, which is the moderate heating effect is showing by that kind of zone, and the color is orange yellow and that is luminous. Luminous means that is going to produce light. तो कौन सा zone candle का light produce करता है? Middle, which is orange yellow in color and that is moderately hot. Not much hot, not least hot, that is average, moderately hot. Another innermost zone, obviously that is black in color, how it is going to produce light? So that's why non-luminous, that is also not going to produce light.